Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to match wall textures instantly in Meccha Chameleon. So if you want to blend into walls better, just follow along. First, find the wall or surface where you want to hide. Next, use the eyedropper tool to copy the exact color from the wall. After that, apply the color to your character and compare the results. And do not focus only on the main color. Look at details like shadows, patterns, and brightnesses because those small differences can reveal you. Next, adjust your position so the lighting matches with the wall. And check your character from multiple camera angles to make sure the disguise works. And if something still looks different, make small paint adjustments until you blend in. So that was how to match wall textures instantly in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.